Years after the divided monarchy, we move into the exile. How does Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego's faith contribute to the deliverance of those who were under King Nebuchadnezzar's rule? During this time, the Israelites were taken under siege, and 4 young men were captured by King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon. Their names were Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and they were widely respected by the king. Nebuchadnezzar made a massive idol for all of his followers to worship, and he gathered everyone for the dedication of the statue. They were all instructed to bow down and worship it, and if they refused, Scripture says that they would literally be cast into the midst of a burning furnace. This is in Daniel 3:6. When the time came to fall before the golden idol, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego remained standing. Scripture does not explicitly explain where Daniel was during this time. When the king commands them to bow, they explain who they serve and that their God will deliver them from the fire. In fury, Nebuchadnezzar sends them into the furnace, only to notice that there are 4 men in the fire, when he distinctly remembers only sending in 3. He recognizes that their Lord is the one true God and changes his decree so that all people, nation, and language will bow to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. As we know, worshiping another god or idol is a commandment that is not to be broken and exhibits sin and disrespect for the Lord, which Nebuchadnezzar was broadcasting. At the end of the story, however, the entirety of Babylon is turned towards the true and sufficient Lord.